Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Saima Mushtaq and our today's lecture topic is implantation and early pregnancy. In this lecture topic we will cover in the first section what ovulation is, what's fertilization and implantation, what are the hormones of early pregnancy, some signs and symptoms of early pregnancy, and then in the next section we will talk about miscarriage. Miscarriage, what is miscarriage, what are the different types of miscarriage, and what's the management of the miscarriage. Then in the third section, we will cover ectopic pregnancy. What's the definition of ectopic pregnancy? What causes ectopic pregnancy? What are some signs and symptoms and complications of ectopic pregnancy? And investigation and treatment. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about erythroblastosis fetalis or hemolytic disease of the newborn, in which we will cover the complications of erythroblastosis fetalis, investigation and management, and how it occurs and what is erythroblastosis fetalis. Then in the final section or fifth section of our lecture, we will cover gestational trophoblastic disease, how it presents and what are complications and how it is treated. So all these topics will be covered in our lecture Implantation and Early Pregnancy. Hopefully you are looking forward to learn more about this lecture topic. So keep watching our lecture Implantation and Early Pregnancy.